the academy, my lawyer, my hairstylist, my mom, my dad, my brother, my dog, Pepita. Are you bored yet?
Yeah.
Okay, so the point is that when you're giving an acceptance speech, you do not give a long laundry list of names about people that we don't even care about. Like, who cares about my lawyer or my hairstylist or my little dog Pepita? I mean, she's kind of cute, but you know. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to actually come up here and tell a short story or an anecdote about somebody who got you up on the stage, the reason that you're here. Why did you succeed? Why did you get this award? Okay? That's who you're going to be talking about. You're going to be talking about that one special person in your life that has driven you to become better and to become successful. So if you can do it in an anecdote or a short story, that would be key. And the second tip would be to also make sure that you always speak from the heart. Okay? Make sure you speak from the heart. Make sure that you speak with passion. Nobody wants to hear an acceptance speech that's boring or that's just very vague and normal and okay, dry, right? We want to be able to say our acceptance speech with passion. Yes, say it from the heart. Remember, because when I have told you many times before, what people remember is not actually the words that come out of your mouth, but what?
What it makes you feel.
How you made them feel. Exactly, Alba. How you made them feel is what people actually remember from your speeches. So make sure it comes from the heart and you say it with passion. And the last tip would be to make sure that you thank your colleagues. Yes, okay, you might be better than them because you're the one winning the award and they're not. But you want to sound humble and you want to say thank you to all my colleagues. I feel so blessed to be working with such an amazing team. Oscar, if it wasn't for you bringing me the coffee every day, I wouldn't have been able to be awake to say and do my work. And Alba, thank you so much for helping me late at night here in the office. You guys are a great team and we're all equal. So thank you. You all deserve this award just like I do. All right. So make sure you thank all of your colleagues and your peers. All right. So those are the tips for today. I want to hear all of you make us cry, right? And I'm sure you'll do great. Thanks.